Why everything changes after $1K month passive income. Here, the money stack is growing, with upward arrows showing the increase. You can see the excitement as it points in waves. The $1K rule. This simple rule can transform your savings. By saving just $1,000, you create a powerful financial buffer. Time is money. Keep your schedule on track. Every day counts toward your financial goals. Raising your arm is like holding your phone for notifications. See? Money transfer icons pop up instantly. On the left, a downturn. On the right, an upswing. Both are part of the journey. It's how you respond that counts. Seated at the desk, the character points to the upward trending charts. This demonstrates positive financial growth over time. To cut your debt, take action. Eliminate high-interest balances first. Visualize it disappearing. Now, you're on the path to financial freedom. A small jump with joy. This represents growth and success. Notice the green icon symbolizing positive expansion. Both arms outward, icons circling, and an income. Each stream contributes to your overall financial growth. Observe as the bank balance increases from $500 to $5,000, a clear indicator of positive financial growth.
Relaxed lounging, payments incoming.
High-fiving your future self. It's a simple act that celebrates your progress and motivates you to keep going. Walking calmly, background icons turning into upward arrows and dollars. This visual transformation symbolizes steady progress and growth in your financial journey.
Ready to improve your finances? Start today. Small steps lead to big changes.
Building our financial freedom wall. Each brick is a smart money move. This focused approach builds security. Building the wall of financial freedom. Each brick represents a step towards security. Keep stacking them up. With smart financial planning, you can achieve a life of luxury. Imagine owning your dream home, car, and traveling the world. Thanks for watching. Wave goodbye and subscribe for more tips.